Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to revise counting from 0 to 10. Okay, you can see this number. Can you tell me which number is this? Very good. This is 0 and 0 means nothing. Very good class. Okay class, here is another picture for you. You can see this number and a ball. Let's count the ball. It's one ball. So on the left hand side, this is number 1 for one ball. Okay, you can see this picture. On your left hand side, there is number 2, and now we count the cards 1 and 2. So here are 2 cards for number 2. This is number 2. Class, you can see here are some dolls. Let's count the doll. 1, 2, 3. How many dolls are here? Here are 3 dolls, and on your left hand side, this is number 3. Okay, let's count the smileys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 smileys. And this is number 4. Which number is this? Number 4. Okay class, you can see in this picture there are ice creams. So let's count the ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ice creams are there? 5. And this is number 5 on your left hand side. Okay class? Okay students, can you tell me which number is this on your left hand side? Very good, this is number 6. Now let's count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 flowers for number 6. Okay class, here are some honeybees. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many honeybees are there? 7. So this is number 7 on your left hand side. Okay students, you can see in this picture there is a shape of heart. Very good. And let's count the hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many hearts are there? 8. Very good. So this is number 8, right? Okay students, now in this picture you can see there are some pencils. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many pencils are there? Yes, 9 pencils. So this is number 9. Now you can see in this picture there are some caterpillars. Let's count the caterpillars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many caterpillars are there? 10. And 1 and 0 makes 10, means 1, 0, 10. Okay, hope you understand. Okay class, let's count again together. 0. 0 means nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now what you have to do at your home? You have to revise these numbers daily and recognize them by yourself. Okay class, thank you.